love to garden. However, my knees don't. And so we invested in this Pro Pad and I'm excited to use it. We had a different kind before and now we're interested in using this one. This is a lot thicker and squishier. So this measures 18 by 11 inches and it's 1.5-inch thickness. That's a 1/2 inch thicker than most models. So I'm very pleased and excited to use this. Also pop this out and there's a handle. You don't need to just use it for gardening. You can use it for gardening, bath time, automotive work, whatever your heart desires and you want to give your knees a rest. There's care instructions as well. It seems to be a very nice product. I am definitely pleased. This is lightweight and portable and easy to clean as well. And I'm excited to use it. This would also make a great gift for a gardener in your life. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.